In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2 Zoom meetings at the same time. Before we begin, one important note. Zoom only allows concurrent meetings on paid accounts. If you're on a free plan, you can still schedule multiple meetings, but you won't be able to run them at the same time. With that in mind, let's set things up the right way. Start by signing in to Zoom using your desktop browser. This is the clearest place to manage schedules and host settings. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Meetings. This page is your central hub for everything you've scheduled, and it's where you'll build both sessions. Next, click Schedule a Meeting. Give your first meeting a clear title so you and your team know exactly what it is. Set the date, time, and duration, and adjust options like passcodes or waiting rooms if needed. When you're done, click Save. Saving locks in the meeting and generates the link your participants will use to join. Now go right back and click Schedule a Meeting again to create your second meeting. You can schedule it to overlap with the first if that's your plan. Just as before, set the topic, time, and options, then save. At this point, you've successfully created 2 separate meetings. To actually run them simultaneously, you'll need to assign an alternative host to one of the meetings, or use 2 different hosts. The alternative host is someone on the same paid Zoom account who can start and run the meeting on your behalf. When scheduling the meeting, you'll see a field to add an alternative host by entering their email address. Make sure the person you choose is licensed, expects to start the session, and knows when to go live. Alternatively, you can have 2 licensed users each start one of the meetings from their own accounts. This avoids conflicts and ensures both sessions can run without interruption. A quick tip: don't plan to launch both meetings yourself from the same account at the exact same time. If you try, Zoom will prompt you to end one to start the other. Assigning an alternative host or using a second licensed host is the reliable way to keep both running smoothly. That's it. You've signed in, scheduled the first meeting, scheduled the second, and set up hosting so both can run concurrently on a paid plan. Keep your titles and times clear, communicate with your co-host or alternative host, and you'll be set for simultaneous sessions without any stress.